This image shows how AI is changing how we use and create software today. Let me explain. For most, if not all software applications, we are using the imperative approach. We click, tap, move our mouse, swipe to get whatever actions we want done. Think of the person using Photoshop or Illustrator to edit an image, or someone using a CRM or financial software to pull data. But with AI and all these AI tools coming out, we're now moving to a declarative approach where we use natural language, whether through audio or text, and through multimodal AI, image or video, to describe what we want done, and the AI gets it done. Back to our photo editing example, tools like Playground or Leonardo enables us to describe what we want done and it gets done, or generate brand new images. So for CRMs and financial software, instead of manually pulling all this data to build reports, we just describe the type of report and the data segment we want to include, and the AI will build those reports for us. This has massive implications on how we use software and how software is going to be built. Everything changes from user experience to user interface to even user expectations. We'll all start describing what we want the software to do and it'll get done. And this is going to affect every industry and every application that we use. And we're already seeing this with ChatGPT for plugins, and with action transformers right around the corner, we're going to see this more and more. So how do you think moving from the imperative approach to the declarative approach impact your industry?